Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating two beautiful projects. This is going to be home decor, spring, summer home decor. I'm going to be using some items from the Dollar Tree, vases from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using some decoration from Amazon. So I'm going to start by just cleaning off the vases. So I'm going to be using some silver glittered contact paper that I picked up from Amazon, and this is absolutely wonderful, guys. This contact paper is glittered and it doesn't come off on your hands. It doesn't fleck off on your hands. So I've already cut enough down to fit the size of the vase. I'm going to be cutting that into long strips, and I'm going to be cutting the same amount for the smaller vase. So I'm just going to cut it into long strips, and then I'm going to adhere it to the vase. I'm also going to be doing the same for the small vase, but I'll be doing that off camera. So now that both vases are done, I'm going to be using this beautiful acrylic blinged out adhesive wrap. I picked that up from Amazon as well. So I'm going to be folding it in half because I'm going to be using it in single row strips. I'm just going to fold that all the way down, and then I'm going to cut it in half. After I do that, I'm going to apply it to the outer edges of the silver strips. So I've decided to adhere both pieces together to make it into a taller, unique looking vase. I'm going to use some of my Aleene's mixed media adhesive. I'm going to let this dry overnight. And guys, here's that project. It looks so beautiful, and I love the uniqueness of it. You let me know what you think. So my next project is going to have a similar pattern. I'm just going to be using different decoration. So I'm going to be using this thick gold chunky adhesive wrap that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to again create the same design pattern that I did with the first project. All the decoration that you see me using today, I picked up from Amazon. If I can find all the items, guys, I will link it below. Guys, I love the way this looks. The gold is absolutely beautiful. I love the pattern. Although it has the same pattern as the first project, this does look different. So I'm going to be using a round mirror from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some of the decoration, and I'm going to adhere into the outer perimeter of the mirror. And guys, this is the final project. Look how beautiful this looks. I absolutely love the gold chunky glitter. This is another unique looking project. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.